Hello everyone, here is CryptoToti, the latest crypto guru. If you want to learn how to lose money in crypto, this is the best place to be. So sorry in the last period I was not available, but now I come back and let's start again. So here we have an Bitcoin and daily, we are on daily, let's see what happened. So from the March 26 until May, we have an rally in up direction. How much? Let's say 28. And if you go from this point until here, 32. So here is what mean 37. So everyone who bet here the 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 price with the X3 as the price of the Bitcoin it will go much lower was liquidated. So this was a liquidation of the shorts. Okay, let's see here how much has done here. Okay, 14%. So this is minus x6, x7, x8, and here how much we have go until now 12%. So everything who was believe here it will go higher, uh, and he enter long x10 got liquidated. So let's put an Fibonacci from this point until this point. So normal he reach 0, 6 and 8. Sometime it will go to 0, 7, 8, 6, but we don't know. If the price is going until 0.236 and is going below, it's very less probable to go back to 0.786. So let's see what will happen in this point and what will happen in this point. And after that, we'll see in which direction. Maybe we'll come back again and after go down. We don't know. At the same time, the RSI is very low, so 24. So we can go lower, but to go lower than the period, this period, that means to 7, is a little bit difficult. So most probable we'll have we'll have this point from here like that, yeah, and here is like that. So we have an bullish divergence. I don't know, strong hidden is not important, but we have, let's say, an divergence which say the price has chance to reject the 72 and to go one time up. You see here, how you told before, we have here 12%. So let's go back with this guy, and after that to go is, so if the price is going at zero, is around 18%. So this mean is x5. So we can see the price until here. Depends how many long and short are on the market, yeah. But if we say you go to x5 here, if you go here is x10 is already there. If now the people say, okay, it will go down. So if you go down, how to liquidate x10? So if we put 10%, okay, so 10% is don't need it more. So if you want to liquidate 20%, okay, so we have two options, all or from this price will go to, if everyone now enter short x5, so 88, 87 is the price to liquidate it. So it is 88 is exactly 0786. So now depend of the short, we can have a comeback of the price. Anyway, the RSI is low, or we can go much lower and after to come back, but pretty sure will not come back to this if it's going low. Let's see. Okay, let's see, for example, from this point, how much from this point until here. So here it's 0.32 and 0.5 is 86. Okay, so if we go much a little bit better, say 0.5 is 87. Exists also chance. So here is 71. So here it will go down, go down. If no, it will go one more time up, and after that maybe again low. Let's see. This is the point of decision. We go back, or we go back for another round in up direction, or go lower. Like I told you, this we need to know how much money in the market. Let's go a little bit to the weekly. So here we have weekly. For the weekly, I think it's too much, like that. So let's use the Fibonacci from the lowest point until the highest point. So we have reached 0.236, and now we have 0.32 is 56, which has not touched any until now. If we remove this logarithmic, let's see what happened without logarithmic. So he reached 0.786, almost hit it. Yeah, he's not reaching, he's almost hit it. Sometimes he's not reaching, this 0.786. Sometimes it's a little bit below 10-15% in order to many people they set here target. Huh? So if it's not reaching, the target was not sold, yeah, to sell the transaction, and that means to close the transaction. So now from this go until 0.28283, and after let's see in which direction it will go. Here we'll have 0.5. 0.5 is 71. So now we are at the 73. So here we can see again it will go lower, it will go higher. Let's see in the future what will happen here. So as you see, the direction from this point is going low. So if you want to have it a strong bullish divergence, we need to have it, that means from this point to have like that, because the price of 60,000 is very less. But if we want to see back, we need to see the RSI lower than this point. Okay, let's see. From this point until this point, we don't see nothing like I thought in the past. Okay, I say, look, we have here. Let's delete this guys and put like that. You see, we can put at this point like that, and from this point like that, and here exists and this bearish. But if we take the latest point, which is here, maybe we can see like that. So here is also a bearish. So I thought this point, it will go above this point. So let's see, it's possible to go a little below, like a 50-20% to close the, and it again a rally until this point. And after that we'll see the latest capitulation of the market, if it will come. We don't know. But so we have this hidden and the next hidden, or hidden bearish is not important. Is hidden or the strong hidden or the strong or the hidden. Is important is bearish. So we need to wait. So this is in the end the Bitcoin. Doesn't look very bad. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum unfortunately has no big rally like Bitcoin until it's go 40%. Yeah, so this is more than X3. Sometimes people they don't go until 50% and they close the transaction around 40% in order to lose 50% of the money was X2. So here if we put this until here, we have exactly, let's delete this and go back to the logarithmic, and now we need to put again this. So here it's 0.76, and after this go back. Now let's see, and we need to reach again this point, and to reach this point we'll see normal the target is 1 2 3, or if everything is fine, it will come back to this So if we, let's say this is the lowest point and will not go down, this is the target. Yeah, the target is somewhere here. Yeah, but let's see this. I think is in the next years. But if we go for daily, okay, what we can see on daily. So Fibonacci from here until here, he reach 113. Okay, and after that from here this point until this point, so he has gone below 0.786. So theoretically, if he's gone below 0.086, we can have these ranges from here, 1 to 3. So 1.8, So here in 1.8, we need to see if probably it will go. Let's see how much liquidation is, and if we go to 1 to 3, 25%. So it's looking okay. After 25%, maybe we can see, okay, people go everyone short. Maybe we'll go again 10%, 11, 10, 10 or 20, 20. Okay, so we can go until this point, and after that, maybe from here, if we take this point from here until this, so we need to get the liquidity from this point. Okay, so here is 25%. So we can have until 1 to 3. We can come back again 20% and again 25%. So let's see how will be. So we need to play with 25%, 20%, 10%, because this is the percentages. Look like this is very as a connection between percentage of the levier for the futures with this Fibonacci. Yeah, it look like that. Let's see on which direction it will go. So we can have an like that, and after that like that, which this point should go below this point. Okay, let's put this point like that. Theoretical, we should see this is like that, and this point should be every time higher than this point. Only in this kind of situation you can see this, but if the price it will play a little bit, now it will go up. So it will go up, and after that we'll have time to fall. So let's see, we don't know, but we can have this kind of situation. As you see here, the point here is going up, here is lower, and here is higher, but here is not lower than this point. So we don't have a strong. So we can need a pullback and then again a falling to get this. So let's see when the price will reach 1,800 and which direction it will go. It will here 1,800. We'll go a little bit back to take some shorts, or okay, Doge, okay, is also on daily is very low. The here it was good to have a short. So if you have a coin like Dogecoin and you reach already 90% on daily, yeah, we can go short. How much it will go up? Huh? If it's an RSI 93, huh? So total also is falling. This is a little bit falling. This is also falling. BTC dominance is also falling. It looks like is falling because the BTC is falling, but the Ethereum is not falling so fast. Yeah, like because the Ethereum has not gone to 60 to 80. Bitcoin Ethereum has gone from few hundred euro. So it's a normal, but we don't know if okay, here you see the point. So here you can see very clear we have a comeback. So that means this dominance tell us the price of Bitcoin will go back up. Now, AVAX still is very low, but also good. And here crypto. What do you see? Here the how is called, the Kronos is not falling before the 5 cents. So it's going up. So pretty sure maybe it will fall on this point. Maybe it go a little bit, but this spike up is telling very clear the coin is not dead and will come back in the future. Let's see on the weekly. On the weekly, if we want to see, we need to see the RSI below these points, yeah, before 17. If you see the RSI is 15, we can have a very strong bullish, and everything can have a new rally in the near future. So here is CryptoToti. Thanks a lot. Bis